Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WhatsApp on your Galaxy Watch 6. First, ensure your watch is paired with your smartphone via the Galaxy Wearable app. Next, open the app on your phone and navigate to the Watch Settings menu. From there, select Notifications and then App Notifications. Scroll down the list and toggle on WhatsApp to allow notifications to appear on your wrist. This initial setup is crucial for receiving messages directly on your smartwatch. Once set up, receiving WhatsApp messages on your Galaxy Watch 6 is straightforward. When a new message arrives, your watch will vibrate and the notification will appear on the screen. You can tap on the notification to view the full message. To reply, you'll see several options: quick replies, emoji, voice input, or a tiny keyboard. Choose the method that best suits your situation for a quick and convenient response right from your wrist. While you can't initiate a brand new chat directly from your Galaxy Watch 6, you can easily reply to existing conversations. For sending new messages, you'll typically need to use your paired smartphone. However, for quick responses, the watch offers excellent functionality. You can use voice-to-text for hands-free replies or select from a list of preset quick replies. This makes staying connected simple, even when your phone isn't immediately accessible. For the best experience, keep your Galaxy Watch 6 and smartphone within Bluetooth range, typically about 30 feet or 10 meters. Remember that media files, like photos or videos, will usually require you to open them on your phone. The watch is designed for quick interactions and notifications, not full media consumption. Enjoy the convenience of staying connected with your WhatsApp messages right on your wrist, making communication more accessible throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.